welcome back to Professional Prep. So, last video I told you that our next lesson would be a little different, and what I meant by that is today we will be talking about programming logic. Alright, so right over here we have some code. This is some code that I used Visual Studio Code for, nothing too special. But what I want to talk to you about is code running sequentially. All right? So, code runs in this order. Now, we all know that, right? So, first it would execute this, and then this, and then this, and so on, right? Okay, but what does that really mean? What does that mean, especially in an if statement like this? So let's just quickly bring up an analogy, all right? We have coin slots, all right? We want to figure out what type of coin what value our coin is, all right? So maybe I have a quarter here, all right? I'll put a Q on that to represent quarter. And I don't know it's a quarter, but I want to find that it is a quarter. So, there's a machine over here. All right? A machine that tells me what value my quarter is. It has a couple of different slots for me to test. It has one really big one, and then one that's a little less, and then one that's less than that, and so on. Right? Now, to figure out that this is a quarter, should I start going this way or going this way? Let's test out both ways. So, if I went going this way, here's what would happen. We have a really big coin slot, and then one a little smaller than that, a little smaller than that, a little smaller than that, and so on. So first, we use our quarter and test it in the big one. Oh no, we've lost our coin and we still don't know what the value is. Right? So say this was a dollar coin, all right? If we put this quarter in the dollar coin slot, we would lose our coin and never actually know the value because the dollar coin slot was too big. Now, let's go the other direction. So, let me just quickly clear this. All right, let's go the other direction. I'm going to use a different color here. If we went this direction, first, we would try our coin on the penny slot. And then we would try our coin on the nickel slot. And then the dime slot. And finally, the quarter slot. I know I had previously referred to this as the dollar slot, but I'm just going to change it to quarter slot for the purpose of this video. So, if we went this direction from smallest to biggest, then we would actually know what the value of our coin was. That is the same way for code. If we had a program to figure out the value of our coin, like if it's greater than 1, then it would be a penny, all right? If it was greater than 5, it would be a nickel, what was that? Nickel, and dime, so on, all right? If I had a 25-cent coin, if I tried it on here, it would return penny. All right? And it would skip all of these. It would skip all of these because these are all else if statements. Sorry for my syntax there. That's a Java thing and every other programming language. So what I was saying before, it would skip all of these because these are all elif statements, right? And it would just fall into this coin slot and return penny. If we went the other way, however, if we went up Let's quickly get a different color so it's differentiable. If we went up, first we would try $1. We would find that it is not a dollar coin. We would try a $half coin. We would find it's not a $half coin. And then we would try a quarter coin or a quarter slot. And I know that there should be a less than or equal sign here. Sorry, I just forgot. But it would finally fall into this coin slot right here and return quarter. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I know it was kind of different, and sorry for my bad handwriting. I hope my monologue or narration kind of gave away what I was trying to say. But that is it. So, thank you.